que se les va la luz. Okay, if today is Monday, what day was yesterday? Let's see, what day was yesterday? Because it's Monday, but before Monday, there is a day. What day was yesterday? Let's see, a volunteer? Voluntario?
Fridays.
Okay, today is Monday. Very good, Miguel. Today is Monday, but what about yesterday? Do you remember the day of the week? Okay, the day of the week are 7, right? They are 7. Ah, okay. There was someone who was to participate, right? Okay, let's pretend that Monday is today and this finger, right? Before our Monday, here was a day. So that means that yesterday was Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Monday is this day, right? Monday, Tuesday, because tomorrow will be Tuesday. After tomorrow, we have Wednesday. After Wednesday is Thursday. After Thursday is Friday. And after Friday is Saturday, right? But remember that before Monday is Sunday, right? There are 7 days in a week. 7 days. From those 7, we take only 5 days to classes, right? And we do a lot of things and that during the week. Okay. If you remember, we also work, right, with numbers. At this week, I mean today, you already know the days, the numbers, sorry, from 0 to what? To 20, right?
20.
Those are the few numbers that you should know today. Because like 2 or 3 weeks ago, we start working from number 11 to number 20, right? Why I am showing to you this? Okay, I am showing to you this today because on Wednesday, we are going to start working from number 21 to number 30, right? 10 new numbers are going to be the new ones that you are going to learn in this class. Why? Because at the end of the year, you should know how to count from 0 to 100. And 100 for you is a big number, right? A big number that I'm not going to show it to you now. Okay, let's practice our numbers before we start with our activity. Okay, we are going to start from this one. Okay, I'm gonna do it with this. Okay, our first number here is number. What number is this?
0.
Right?
0.
Oh, very good. 0. Very nice. After our number 0 is number? What number is this? 1. After number 1 is number?
2.
Guys? 2. 2, right? After, listen. After our number 2 is number? 3, right? Not 3. 3, right? After our number 3 is number? What number is next?
4.
4, very good. After our number 4 is number? 5. Okay. 5. After our number 5 is number? 6. After 6 is number?
7.
Very good. After 7 is number?
8.
After 8 is number?
9.
9. After 9 is number?
10.
10. After 10 is number? 11. 11, right? What about after 11?
12.
12, very nice. After 12? 13, right? 13. After number 13 is number?
14.
14. After number 14 is number? 15. After 15 is number? 16. No, 15, no. 16. Listen. 16. Okay, 16. Number 16. Then we have number 17, 18, 19, and 20, right? 20. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? 16 because number 6 is there. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, right? 20. Those are our all numbers, right? Because I say all because you should know them. You should recognize all of them. You should count as well as you can, right? From 0 to number 20. And even though you can make groups, right? What is a group? Let's see. It's a set, right? Of object or anything that you wanted to getting together, right? That is a group. Okay, as you remember, now that we are talking about groups, we talk about also and work with additions, right? What is addition? What is an addition? I already know what an addition is, but I want to be sure if...
Addition is to put more.
Very nice, Natalie. Excellent. Addition is to put more, right? That is addition. And how can I recognize an addition? How do I know that that exercise is an addition? With what? What are the signs for addition? Let's see. The signs. I thought that I have it. Okay, I'm going to do it here. I'm going to write it here. And you have to let me know what are they. Okay. I think that it should be two signs, right? That represent an addition. Let's see the first one. It represents an addition, yes or not? Guys? It is a plus, right? Plus. And what about this one? How do we call this sign? Equals, right? Very well, very well. It is equal, right? We almost, but no, the best part is coming, right? It is our plus and equal, right? With our two signs here, because those are signs, signos, right? Signs, we can know and we can guess that we are talking and we need to work with addition. If, as Natalie said, that addition is to put more, that means that we are going to take from one group to another and make only one, right? That is about addition, right? What is that is addition about? We regroup. Okay, just a review. Here I have two markers, right? This will be one of my groups. And here I have one more marker, but they are not together. Look, one group here.
¿Cuándo terminará la clase?
Wait, I'm missing a lot of minutes, right? Don't desperate. Okay. Here we have one group with one marker, and here I have our second group with two markers. If we need to add, what do we need to do? We need to regroup, right? I'm going to take this marker and we are going to put them together, right? They are together. And now, if before I have two markers in a group and one marker in another, now that I have them together, how many markers do we have? Can you count, please? One,
One, two, three.
3, okay? 2 plus 1 is equals 3, right? Now, in your notebooks, en su cuaderno, there, you are going to look for a page like this, right? Page like this. And you will write numbers. But in this case, you will write number from 11 to 20. I'm going to do it for you too. Okay, 11. How do we write our number 11? Okay, number 11 is made of two numbers one, right? Look, this is our number 11. 11, okay? You have to write it down. Write it down. You have to write it down. Okay, number 11. After number 11, we have a number 12. How do we write number 12? With a number 1 and number 2, right? That is 11. Look, at this point, my number 11, I'm sorry, 12. Yes, of course, right? That is 12 from 1 and a number 2, 12. And this one, 11, 12, right? After 12, what number is next? Our next number is number 13, right? How do we write it? With a number 1 and number 3.
Miss. Miss.
Yes, you finish from 11 to 20. Look,
Miss.
here I have my number 13, right? 13. Do you finish? Okay, very good. After number 13, the next number is number 14, right? How do we write it?
Miss.
Yes, Dylan.
¿Cuál página tenemos que hacer?
No. Listen, we are not working in books. Look, this one isn't my book. No, it is my notebook. It is my notebook. Notebook is the notebook where you are doing homework, right? Okay, now I already have number 11, 12,
Yes.
13. Dylan, listen. Yes, yes, it's from number 11 to number 20, right? Yes, you are going to write number 11, 12, 13, 14, then number 15, that is number 1 and number 5, then number 16, number 1 and number 6, then number 17, right? That is number 1 and number 7. You have to write the numbers. Okay, from 11 to number 20, Hesman. From 11 to 20, right? Okay, I almost done it. Okay, number 19. You have to write it down and then you have to show it me. And number 20, right? Those should be the numbers that you should have in your notebook. Only number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, right? Do you have it? All of you already have the numbers? Yes? If you need time, let me know, right?
I have an.
Very good, Jonathan. What about the rest? Did everybody has written a number from 11 to number 20? Yes, no? You need more time? Okay.
Yes.
Just wait for the rest, okay? Thank you. We're going to wait for that rest because there are some students that still writing the numbers, right? Remember, mommy and daddy cannot help you. You should do it by your own. Mamá y papá no les tienen que hacer los números. Ustedes lo tienen que escribir. Aún así se tarden toda la hora en la clase, pero tienen que escribirlo ustedes solitos.
Miss,
¿Okay?
disculpe, ¿qué es lo que tienen que hacer?
Tienen que escribir los números desde el 11 al 20. En el cuadernito. Les había pedido el cuadernito también de tarea. Uh-huh. Do you have it? Yes? No? Dylan? Dylan? What are you doing, Dylan? Dylan, you're not working, Dylan. Even though I was looking my notebook and checking who was sending me the homework, and your homework. Very good, Axel. Dylan, your homework are missing. Okay? You're not presenting homework. And every one of you should do it, right? But you have to work, and I was observing, right, that you were sleeping, and that it's not time to sleep, right? This week is about work. Last week, you sleep late, right? And you did a lot of things, but not classes, right? No classes last week. Okay, very good, Miguel. Now that you have your notebooks written, we are going to practice. We are going to read together the numbers, right? And we are going to start now. You have to point. Tienen que señalarlos. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, right? Now that you know the numbers, I'm going to name a number, and you have to circle, right? If I ask you to circle a number 13, you will take your pencil. Very good, Dokerin. You are going to take your pencil, right? And you are going to look for that number, and you have to circle. We are going to do this one first, together. Okay. In this case, I'm going to do it with my marker. Now, let's circle number 13. What is our number 13? It's here, right? So we are going to circle only this number, number 13. Look, number 13. Why I am doing this? Because I wanted to be sure that every one of you recognize a number, okay? Recognize a number. Now that we have a number 13 already circled, you are going to look for number 16. What is the number 16? What is the number 16? You have to circle the number 16. Do you find it? Do you find the number 16? Listen to me. 16. What is the number 6 there? Our number 16 is written with the number 1 in number 6, right? Where is the number 16 here? Where? It's here, right? We are going to 1. Number 16 is 1 and 6, right? Very good. Now, as you can see, there you have some other numbers. They are empty, right? They are not circled already. Now we are going to look for our number 14. What is our number 14? Let's see. What is the number 14? I want to volunteer, Jose David. Do you find the number 14? How do we write number 14? With number 1 and number? 4. Number 4. Very good. That is a number 14. And now we are going to circle our number 14, right? Number 1 and number 4. And we'll read it together, number 14. We cannot say, no, number 1 and number 4, no. Number 14. We divided by numbers because we wanted to know how do we write it, right? Number 14. Very good. Now, There are missing some other numbers. Now, I'm going to ask you to look for a number 20. What is the number 20? What is number 20? How do we write number 20? Oh, very nice. Number 2 and number 0. And that is our number 20. Do you see it? Yes. It's here, right? Number, okay, there. Number 20. Very good. What number do you circle now? 20, right? 20. 20. Very good. 20. Now, our last number, because I wanted to continue with the class. The last number from this list that you have, we are going to circle number 18. What is our number 18? This one you should do it by your own. Lo van a hacer solitos ese. Number 18, what is it? And or how do you write a number 18? How? With a number 0, I'm sorry, with a number 2 and number 0. No, right? This is our number 20. Our number 18 is written with a number 1 and number 5. No, right?
No.
How do we write a number 18? How?
Number 1, number 8.
Very good. Excellent job, Jonathan. With number 1 and number 8. And there we have our number 18. Very good. Do you find this number? Yes? You should have it, right? All of us should have the same numbers, from 11 to number 20. Very good, Dylan. Remember, the only numbers that you should have circled are number 13, number 14, number 16, number 18, and number 20, right? Those should be the only numbers that you should have circled on your notebook, right? Very good. Now that we already work with this part in your notebook, you are going to take your book and you will do this. Let me see. You are going to look for the date. I have the day here. Let's see. Well, we're going to look for the date. No, sorry. We're going to look for page 67. Look, 67. You have to look at that page, 67. 67. Where? Okay, in your math book, okay? This book is always the one that we are working on Monday and also Wednesday, right? Page 67. There. 67, right? Are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, guys? No. Are you on that page?
Plus equal.
Okay. Now that you are there, we are going to write the date. What day is today? Today is Monday, right?
Monday.
And we are going to write it on the
Hoy sí va a
top.
escribir today is Monday. Aquí, mi amor, today.
Okay, today
Vaya,
is
escriba. Hoy sí.
Monday,
Ahí le enseñé, mi amor.
July 30, right? This. Look, today is Monday, July 30, right?
Me. Me.
Yes.
¿Qué página es?
What page is it? Okay, it is page 67. 67. 67.
¿Cuál libro
right?
es, Miss?
Very.
I finished.
You finished? Who else already finished to write the date? Very good. The date should be written here, right? Today is Monday, July 30th, 2020. Very good. Now, what do you have there? They are additions, right? There we have, how many additions? 2 additions, 2 exercises. And now, at the top here, there are two kids, right? A boy and a girl, and they are on the beach. If you see, they already have some shells. Let's look at the boy. The boy is here. How many shells does it have? Okay, he has 1, 2, and 3, right? Yes? I am right? Yes. There are 3 shells. Now you are going to write here in this space a number 3. Let's write it down, please. Let's write there number 3. I'm gonna write it here. Number 3. 3 shells, right? He has 3 shells. Now let's look at the girl. How many shells does she have? She has 1, 2, 2 and 3. How many shells does she have? She has 3. Okay, we are going to write a number 3 again in our space, right? And now we say 3 plus 3 equals, equals what? We need to count the shells here, right? And we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. So 3 plus 3 is equals 6. Look. Yes? Do you have the same answer? Yeah? Yes, right? Now you will do the same one with boxes. You have to count boxes here and boxes from the other group, right? And then count how many boxes does he have, right? Now do it by your own.
Miss, I finished.
You finish. Very good, Natalie. Don't give it the answer, right? No le dé la respuesta todavía. They should work by your own.
Finish.
Very good. Okay, you should count the boxes from here. Then the boxes that we have here. And then all of them together, right? Let's do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Very good.
I finished. Me.
Very good. Thank you, Megan. Excellent. Okay. And here you should write a number 4. Now you will see here. Okay, there are more than 4 boxes, right? And we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here should be written number 4, and here our number 5. And here as a result, how many boxes do you have? Very good, Jose. 4 plus 5. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's see. I'm going to do it here. Did everybody has the same result? Yeah? 4 here. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? Remember, this is the way that every one of us should read an addition. 4 plus 5 equals 9, right? That is the way that everybody should read an addition. Not only 4 plus 5, 9, no. 4 plus 5 equals, right? We need to read this sign, equals 9. Very good, equals 9, very nice. Good job. Now, we are going to turn the page and we are going to work with some shapes. The next shapes here are diamonds. Look at the diamonds. They look more like a square or like a box, right? But they have something different, okay? Here, the size, they have 4 size, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 size. And what did I say? They look more like a box or like a square because they also have 4 sides. But here the difference is that each side is a kind of, it's like a felt, right? It's not a right, it's a kind of a curved line. If we say, you are going to look diamonds, only diamonds here. How many diamonds do we have in this box? Oh, there is 1, right? And here we have another one. You have to take your brown color. Look at the color that it is, right? It is brown. You have to look at them and color only diamonds. Only diamonds in brown. Now, in our next part here, there you have to trace. But in some cases, as the ones that you have here, there is just 1 line, are missing 3 more. You have to do it. Este está mal, okay? You have to draw unequal diamonds as the ones that you have here, okay? An equal diamond. This one isn't a diamond. There is just 1. You have to do this. Look, you should have a diamond like this. Not a perfect one, but almost like that. Then, in the next one, it's happening the same. You need to draw 1